Hey, 418, about that 418, 791 Pacific Coast to Canada. Yeah, you're sounding good out here on the southern Gulf Islands off the far Pacific Coast to Canada, 791 waving. Hey, Roger, Texas. I'm not sure what frequency this is. I'm running an old Siltronics Model 90 variable frequency oscillator. I'm guessing we're on 435. Copy? Oh, we're on 415. Okay. I don't have the digital on this thing. It's super old on an old TRC 48 realistic radio. I appreciate it. Well, you're sounding Q5 up here, man. You sound like a local, buddy. Right on. You got 791 Joe here. How's the audio on this thing? Is it okay? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, everybody seems to tell me, the local guys say, oh, this microphone squeals, but I don't know. On the DX, it seems to work okay. It's an Astatic 878 DM desk mic. Okay, so you can still make out my audio, okay? Okay, same with you. I'm just running an IMAX 2000, and like I say, an old 23-channel realistic TRC 48, circa 1975, with a VFO on it. Yeah, it's still working, an oldie but a goodie, eh? Anyway, buddy, I'll let you get back to what you're doing, and I just wanted to wave at you. All right there, David. 418 Amarillo, Texas. 73s to you, my friend. Happy skip shooting. This be 791 out here on the Gulf Islands off the far west coast of Canada. QSX. Cool. So the microphone does work okay. There.